Hello students, welcome to OMSARS Academy. In this session we are going to learn class 10th Maths chapter 2 Polynomials part 3 Maximum numbers of zeros of polynomial and interpreting number of zeros from graphical representation. Hello students, welcome to OMSARS Academy once again. In this session we are going to learn a new topic, that is how many maximum number of zeros does a polynomial have and interpreting the number of zeros from the graphical representation. Now friends, you are clear with the term zeros of a polynomial, right? Now we will understand that how many number of zeros does a polynomial have. Okay, so basically there are three type of polynomials we are going to understand in this chapter, that is linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial. So linear polynomial has what degree? It has a degree 1. So the standard form of linear polynomial is what? Ax plus b. This is the standard form of linear polynomial where a and b are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. Standard form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. Is it clear friends? So this is the standard form of quadratic polynomial. And cubic polynomial standard form is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Okay, so this is the standard form of cubic polynomial. Here friends, linear polynomial's degree is 1. Okay, so linear polynomial always have only one zero. How many zeros? Only one zero. Is it clear? Then quadratic polynomials have degree 2. So on the basis of degree, here the degree was what? 1. Okay, here the degree is what? 2. And here the degree is what? 3. Okay, so in this case, as there was 1 degree, here 1 0, but it is not that here it has a 2 degree 2, so it will have 2 zeros exactly. No, it is not like this way. Okay, it can have maximum 2 zeros, or in other words we can say it can have at the most 2 zeros. At the most 2 zeros. Okay, so that means maximum it can go to 2 zeros and minimum it can have 1 zero or 0 zeros also. Okay, then here we will use the same words that in cubic polynomial it can have at the most 3 zeros, or we can write as maximum. Instead of at the most you can write the word maximum 2 zeros and maximum 3 zeros. Is it clear friends? Now let us understand the graphical representation of this. Okay, graphical representation. Graphically it can be represented as if I want to represent this linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial in graphical form of way, so what will be the graphical representation friends? Okay, so here linear polynomial has 1 0. So if I want to represent them in graph, I can have the graph like this is my y-axis and this is my x-axis. Okay, so I can have any line that will be passing through x-axis at only one point. Whatever number of zeros, जितने भी zeros हैं यहाँ पे maximum only 1 0 ही है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे as there is 1 0, so it can cross the x-axis one time. So this is my x-axis. Okay, so to understand this, let us represent in some other color. Say this is my y-axis and this is my x-axis. Okay friends, so I can have this graph as this way also, I can have this way also, but it intersects the x-axis at only one point. Okay, so linear polynomial will have this type of graphs. Okay, so graphs intersecting will be at one point. So graph will intersect x-axis at only one point. Okay, and what will be this? My graphical line will be y equals to ax plus b. Okay, so this will be my graphical line. Is it clear, friends? Now, in case of quadratic polynomial, it can have at the most two zeros. Okay, here it was having only one zero, so it crossed the x-axis at one point. But in quadratic polynomial, it can have at the most two zeros, means it can have three types of graphs. Okay, what three types of graph it can have? I am representing in a short form. Now see, as maximum two zeros, here it was one zero, so one zero was having this type of graph. Two zeros, if it has a two zeros, friends, so two zeros graph will be like this way, it can be like this way, or it can be like this way also. Okay, it can be reverse U also, like this way also. Okay, this is also graph of two zeros. Okay, then we can also have a graph like this way. It is touching the x-axis at only one point, single point. Okay, so it touches the x-axis at only single point. So this is having 1 0. Why? Because it touches the x-axis at single point. Also you can have the graph like this thing. I am representing over here. This is y-axis, this is x-axis. It can have the graph like this way also, which is not touching the x-axis. Okay, so यहाँ पे this has a zero zeros. It has a zero zeros. That means it has no zero over here. That means इसका solution नहीं होगा. Okay, so this graph of linear equation was intersecting x-axis at one point. Okay, and these all graphs of quadratic equation were of many types. It were intersecting at 2 points, then it were having two zeros. Here also they were having two zeros, but we have to just watch x-axis only, friends. You see the x-axis में ये जो है ये ग्राफ कितने पॉइंट्स पे इंटरसेक्ट करता है? दिस इज माय ग्राफिकल लाइन. ओके, दिस इज माय ग्राफिकल लाइन. तो ग्राफिकल लाइन यहाँ पे एक्स एक्सिस ये है, यहाँ पे दो पॉइंट पे इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है तो दो जीरो. यहाँ पे एक्स एक्सिस है, यहाँ पे 2 पॉइंट्स पे इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है तो 2 जीरोस. यहाँ पे एक्स एक्सिस है, वो सिंगल पॉइंट में टच करके ऊपर चला जा रहा है, तो आई हैव ओनली 1 0 ऑफ दिस क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. एंड देन हियर इट डजंट टचेस द एक्स एक्सिस. देखो ये एक्स एक्सिस से थोड़ा ऊपर ही है. ओके, सो दिस हैज नो जीरो और जीरो जीरोस. And friends, one more thing, in objective type of questions, you are asked that which type of graph is this? This U-shaped graph, or it is called as parabola shaped. U-shaped graph, or you are asked it is a parabola shape. Okay. This question is asked in an objective. Which type of graph does a quadratic polynomial have? Okay, so it has a U-shaped or parabola-shaped type of graphs. Is it clear, friends? Now we move to the graphs of cubic polynomial. Now see, cubic polynomials also can have maximum 3 zeros. तो उसके ग्राफ भी बहुत सारे टाइप के हो सकते हैं. इज इट क्लियर? सो फर्स्ट ग्राफ with 3 zeros, it will intersect the x-axis in how many points, friends? जैसे यहाँ पे 1 0 था तो x-axis पे 1 पॉइंट पे इंटरसेक्ट कर रहे थे. 2 zeros थे तो 2 पॉइंट्स पे इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा था. 1 0 था तो 1 पॉइंट पे इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा था. एंड 0 zeros था तो इट वाज नॉट इंटरसेक्टिंग द x-axis. तो यहाँ पे इफ आई वांट द ग्राफ विथ 3 zeros, ओके, 3 zeros मैक्सिमम हो सकते हैं. तो 3 zeros का ग्राफ कैसा होना चाहिए, फ्रेंड्स? ये वन टाइम एक्स एक्सिस पे इंटरसेक्ट हुआ, एंड इट इंटरसेक्टेड अनदर टाइम, एंड देन इट इंटरसेक्टेड अनदर टाइम. तो यहाँ पे कुछ ऐसा टाइप का ग्राफ बन सकता है, या ऐसा भी बन सकता है. इज इट क्लियर? और इफ इट वुड हैव 2 zeros, देन यदि 2 zeros हो सके इधर, तो कैसा ग्राफ हो सकता है? इट कैन हैव अ ग्राफ ऑफ the curve intersecting x-axis at only 2 points. Is it clear, friends? So friends, 2 zeros वाला ग्राफ चाहिए मुझे. तो ये जो है यहाँ से यहाँ इंटरसेक्ट करेगा. ओके, सो इट इंटरसेक्ट्स एट 1 and 2 points only. ओके, सो हियर इट वाज माय x एक्सिस, एंड x एक्सिस पे वो कितने पॉइंट पे इंटरसेक्ट करेगा? ओनली 2 पॉइंट्स पे इंटरसेक्ट करेगा. इज इट क्लियर, फ्रेंड्स? सो होप दिस इज क्लियर. एंड इफ इट वुड हैव 1 0, देन ओनली 1 0 हो तो ये ग्राफ जो है वो कैसा होना चाहिए? इफ इट हैज ओनली अ सिंगल 0 ओवर हियर, देन इट कुड हैव दिस टाइप ऑफ ग्राफ्स. Okay, so here it touches the x-axis at only 1 point. Is it clear? So this was having 1 zeros. Is it clear, friends? So these type of graphs are possible in each case of polynomials. Understood? So linear polynomial with a degree 1 has how many number of zeros? They have only 1 zeros. Quadratic polynomial with a degree 2, they have at the most 2 zeros, means they have maximum 2 zeros. And the cubic polynomial, that is degree 3, that have maximum 3 zeros. Okay, minimum it can be anything, 2 0 1 0, anything. Is it clear, friends? So hope this topic is clear. So students, with this we end this topic over here. Hope you have understood the topic very well. Thank you very much. Thank you, students, for watching this video. To view our more videos, please do not forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can view our latest videos. For any kinds of guidelines, queries, doubts, suggestions, always feel free to write to Om sir in the below given comment box. Also like and share these videos to your friend circles so that we can know how we can assist you in making more value additions. Thank you very much.